Looking for a new phone? Have you considered Motorola? With a range of models, each boasting unique features, Motorola offers a compelling option for any potential buyer. Today, we'll be comparing the features, pros and cons of different Motorola models to help you make the best choice. Starting with the Motorola Edge Plus, a standout choice with its sharp display, powerful specs, and long battery life. Its simple Android interface and ample storage make it a reliable device. However, one must note that its camera system might not be as impressive as those of other brands like Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy. Next, we have the Motorola Razr and Razr Plus, the new entrants in the foldable phone market. The Razr Plus, with its modern clamshell design, premium glass and metal exterior, is a beauty to behold. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and features a dual-lens camera. The standard Razr, on the other hand, with its metal frame and vegan leather back, offers a unique aesthetic. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor and boasts a 64-megapixel main camera. Both models offer impressive exterior and interior displays, with the Razr Plus featuring a slightly larger exterior display. Not to be overlooked, the Motorola ThinkPhone, designed for professionals, offers a durable design with water and dust resistance. It features a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, up to 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage. One of its unique features is the Red key, which can be programmed as a shortcut to launch functions. Despite its many pros, the ThinkPhone does have some cons. Its camera performance is disappointing, especially in low-light conditions, and the Ready for feature might experience occasional lags. In conclusion, each Motorola model has its unique features, strengths, and weaknesses. The Motorola Edge Plus offers a powerful performance. The Razr and Razr Plus provide a unique take on the foldable phone design, and the ThinkPhone presents a sturdy option for professionals. Therefore, the best Motorola phone relies heavily on your individual needs and preferences. Remember, a phone is more than just a device, it's an extension of your lifestyle. So choose wisely, choose Motorola.